students, welcome to class 8. Today we are going to see chapter 1 numbers, exercise 1.5. In this exercise 1.5 we are going to see what is cubes and cube root. Cubes means when if a number multiple by itself and then by itself again, the product obtained is called the cube of the number. If n is a number, its cube is represented by n cube. For example, if you take n is equal to 3, therefore n power 3 is equal to, you have to multiply the 3 times. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. Therefore, the cube of 3 is 27. You have to multiply the number 3 times to find the cube of the number. Next, cube root. The cube root of a number is the value that when cubed gives the original numbers. The cube root of, for example, the cube root of 27 is 3 because when 3 is cubed we get 27. So, the cube root of 27 is 3. Have you understood? The cube root of 27 is 3. Because when 3 is cubed, we get 27. And it is denoted by root x. Here you have to mention 3 or x power 1 by 3. We will continue the sums. Thank you. Now we will see the sums. Your first and second question is your fill up and true or false. We will see later. Now we will see the third question. Show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. So first you have to take the factors. I already said add and see the number. Here 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So, you can take the factors as 3. 3, 6 are 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Again, 3, 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Then 3 8s are 24. Again you can divisible by 3. 3 2s are, then 3 1s are, 3 6s are. Your next question is find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So first you have to take the factors to find the smallest number which must be divided to get the so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So as the number ends with 5, you can divisible by 5. That is 5 2s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 9s are 45. Again 3. 5 7s are 35. Then with 13. 13 1s are, then 6 9. Then 13 13s are, then 13 1s are. Now if you see here 5 into 13 power 3. If you see here 5 does not appear in triplet. So write it. 5 does not appear in triplet. So if we divide 10,985 by 5, the new number will be a perfect cube. Therefore, take and write the required number is 5. Then the next question is find the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25. So what you will do? You have to take the cube root for each number. Here you can take in two table. 2 12s are, then 2 6s are, 2 3s are, then 3 1s are. Then for 36, in 3 table you can take it, no? 3 12s are, again 3 4s are, then 2 table 2 1s are, 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. The next one is with 80. If the number ends with 0 means 5 table you can take up. 5 1s are 5, carry 3, 5 6 are. Then with the 2 table, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Then finally your 25, 5 table, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Now take and write the factors. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. 80 is equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Now if you have to triplet means cube means you have to take pair 3 numbers. So out of 3 number take 1 number. Then if you see here 2 3s are there. So you have to join like this, pair it. Then again with 5. Then 2. Then therefore the cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is equal to, out of 3 numbers you have to take 1. Then here out of 3 3s you have to take 1 3. Then again 2. Then with the 2 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 5 is 120. So your answer is 120. Have you understood? First you have to take the factors of each numbers. After that take and write the factors. Then pair into 3. Out of 3 numbers take 1 numbers and multiple and write down the answer. Your 7th question is find the cube root of 729 and 6859 by prime factorization. So do the sum as a homework. Take the factors of 729 and then factors of 6859. Find the cube root. Now we'll move to the next question. Your next question is what is the square root of cube root of 46,656? So they ask you to find out the square root of cube root. So you take and write the number first. Square root of cube root. That is 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. First find the cube root. So first you have to find the cube root, then after that find the square root. In 2 table we can take 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, again 2 3s are, then 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Then with the 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 6 are, 6, 2 4. Then with 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are. Again with 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 1s are, 2 4s are 5, 8. Then with 2, 2 7s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are. Then with 3 table, 2 4 3. Then again with 3, that is 81. Then 3 27. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Now you are finding the cube root. So cube root means you have to pair the numbers into triplet. So pair it. That is cube root of 4 6 6 5 6 is equal to. So you are paired into 3 numbers, that is 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 3 power 3. So out of 3 numbers you are taking 1 number. Therefore 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So the cube root of 46,656 is 36. And again I am explaining what is the square root of cube root of 46,656. So you have to take and write first square root symbol. Inside that you have to take the square root of cube root. So the cube root of 46,656. First take the cube root. Factorize the number. While factorizing, after factorizing, pair the number into 3. Then out of 3 numbers, you have to take 1 number. So if you take here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Therefore your answer for cube root of 46,656 is equal to 36. Now what you will do it? You have to take the square root. Therefore the square root of 36. You have to factorize. 36 is 3 table. 3 12s are, again 3 4s are, then 2 table. 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Square root means you know very well, you have to pair into 2 numbers. Therefore 3 into 3 power 3, 2 into 2 power 2. So the square root means out of 2 numbers you have to take 1 number. 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Therefore The square root of 36 is 6. Take and write down your answer like this. Square root of cube root 4 6 6 5 6 is equal to 6. Ninth question is, if the cube of a square number is 729, find the square root of that number. So first you have to find out the cube of 729. So find out take the factors of 729, which is in 3 table, 3 2s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are. Again with 3 8 1. Again with 3 27, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. The cube root of 729, write down here outside 3. If you didn't write, it is taken as square. So please write down the 3. What does mean by cube root? Out of 3 number, you have to take 1 number. Therefore, 3 power 3 into 3 power 3, which is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. So the cube of 9 is 729. Now you have to find out the square root of 9, which is equal to 3 into 3. Square root means out of 2 number, take 1 number. So the square root of 9 is 3. Now what they ask you to find out? If the cube of a square number is 729, find the cube root of that number. For the cube of 9 is 729. The square root of 9 is 3. You have to find out the square root for 3. You know how to take the square root by long division method. So your first number is 3. Find out the square number which is less than or equal to 3. That is 1 ones are 1. Because if you take 2 into 2 is 4, which is greater than 3, you should not able to write it. So here 3 minus 1 is 2. Then you have to bring both the zeros together, and here they given the point, so keep the point on the top. Then what you have to do the next step? Multiple by 2 with the top number. That is 1 2s are 2. Now you have to find 2n into n. That is, if you take 2 in the place of n, 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 9 carry 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So write down the 7 in the divisor, 7 at top. That is 189. 27 into 7 is 189. Then subtract it. Here 10 minus 9 is 1, and then 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring both the zeros together. Then what you have to do it? You have to multiply the top number. That is 7 into 2 is 14. Therefore 4 carry 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 34. Now you have to see 34 n into n. So if you take in the place of n, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 again. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. That is, here write down 3 and on top 3. 243 into 3 is 1029. Now subtract it. 1, 7, and bring both the zeros together. Then what you will do it? 3, 4, and what is the new number you have written here? 3. So multiple with by 2. 3 2s are 6. Therefore write down here 3 4 6 n into n. Now in the place of n, you will substitute the value 3, 4, 6, 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 12 carry 1, 9, then 12. Therefore, if you take here 3, 4, 6, 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 6, 9, 2, 4. Here write 2 on the divisor and 2 top. Then subtract it. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7. We can stop with this. Therefore, the square root of 3 is equal to 1.732. Have you understood, students? First, what you have to do, your question is, if the cube of a square number is 729, first find out the cube of the number. That is, you have to take the cube root of 729. So, take the factors. Cube root means out of 3 number, you have to take 1 number. That is, 3 into 3 is 9. Therefore, the cube of 9 is 729. If you multiply the 9 3 times, you will get 729. Next, what you have to do? Square root of that 9. So, the square root of 9 is 3 into 3. Square root means out of 2 number, you have to take 1 number 3. Now, find out the square root of that number. The square root of 3 you have to take by the long division method. You know very well the long division method. We learned in the before exercise. Yes or no? Okay. Now, as the number is only 3, so keep the point and write down the 0. 0 you have to write into a pair. Then you know very well, first number, see whether the square number which is less than or equal to 3. If you take 1 into 1 is 1. Because 2 into 2 is 4, which is greater than 3. So, take 1 into 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then bring both the zeros down. Before bringing the 0, here the point decimal is given. So, keep the decimal point on the top. Then, multiply the top number by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Then you know very well 2n into n. That means which number if you multiply you can get less than or equal to 200. 7 into 7. 27 into 7 is 189. Write down 7 in the divisor and 7 on top. Therefore, 27 into 7 is 189. Then subtract means you will get 11. Bring both the numbers together down. Now, the top number you have to multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14. So, 4 carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, 34n into n. So, here in the place of n, you will substitute the value 3. 343 into 3 is 1029. Write down this here and 3 on the divisor, 3 at top. Then take and write 3 and 4 already which we have found out. And then the new number is 3. No, with that 3 you have to multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. Now 346 n into n. That is if you multiply by 2. 346 2 into 2 is 6924. So write down the 2 in the divisor and on the top. 3462 into 2 is 6924. Then subtract it. It moves on. So it goes on. So you can stop with this. The cube root, the square root of 3 is 1.732. Thank you, students. Copy down all the worked out sums in your classwork note and homework sum in the homework part.
submit the note to the office room without fail.